I've got a man, I tried to treat him right, but he would start with me most every night. And if you irritate me, I'll agitate you. He packed his soup and started away. Thought I was going to beg him to stay. Don't irritate me, I'll agitate you. They call me a football, that ain't my name. Say I am built on a real frame. Don't irritate me, or I'll agitate you. Shift on 8 cylinders all the time. The starter I use, they say it's fine. If you irritate me, I'll agitate you. If your man's on my back street, kiss him goodbye, 'cause I don't repeat. If you irritate me, I'll agitate you. You're gonna hear your good man cry. If this is heaven, oh mama, let me die. But if you irritate me, I'll agitate you.